Hey guys, I'm Aljen, and this is day 13 of the 30-day box experience. Today, I'll be using the April Brewer, and we're going to be brewing a washed special fermentation process bourbon varietal from Los Pirineos in El Salvador. This coffee has notes of toffee, lime, orange, and raisins. Today, I'll be using 12 grams of coffee to 200 grams of water. So for our water today, we're gonna be using 94 degrees Celsius. So we'll start out with a 50 gram first pour. And we'll leave it to bloom for about 30 seconds. Followed by a 50 gram circle pour. And then concentrating in the middle of the brew, just to fully saturate your grounds. Right now we'll do a center pour, just to accentuate the sweetness. And then lastly we'll do one circle pour and concentrate in the middle, up to 200 grams of water. So we're gonna let this fully draw down, just to make sure we get everything we want out of this coffee. All right. Time to enjoy a good cup. Cheers. Don't forget to share your brewing method and experience with us. And always remember that the best coffee is the coffee you enjoy. Once again, thank you very much, and don't stop brewing.